In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Hostinger domain to Blogger for the year 2025. This step-by-step guide will help you seamlessly integrate your custom domain with Blogger, making your blog look more professional and personalized. So let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to your Blogger account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your blog. Here, we'll begin by going to the Settings tab. This is where you'll configure most of your custom options for Blogger. In the Settings menu, you'll notice an option labeled Custom Domain. This is where we'll be linking your Hostinger domain. Next, let's switch gears and go to Hostinger. Log into your Hostinger account and head over to the Domain section. This is where all your registered domains are located. Locate the domain you wish to connect to your Blogger account and click on it to access its settings. With your Hostinger domain settings open, you're going to want to copy the domain name. It's essential to have this handy, as we'll need to input it back on Blogger. Now return to your Blogger settings, where you saw the custom domain option earlier. Paste the domain name that you just copied from Hostinger. Once you've pasted it, be sure to save your changes. It's common to encounter an error message at this point. Don't worry, this is standard and means you're on the right track. Now within Blogger, look for a link to the support page. This is typically provided to help with any verification steps needed. Follow this link for support, as it will guide you through any additional requirements Blogger might have for connecting your domain. Back over at Hostinger, you'll need to manage your domain once more. Specifically, we're heading to manage your domain's DNS or name servers. This is a crucial step in verifying your custom domain with Blogger. Within your DNS settings, you'll have the opportunity to enter a subdomain. Use the instructions or codes provided in the Blogger support page you accessed earlier. Enter these codes carefully to ensure successful verification. Once you've input the necessary details in your DNS records, add the record to finalize this part of the setup. This process might take a few minutes to propagate through the internet, but once it does, your Blogger blog will seamlessly integrate with your Hostinger domain. And there you have it, your Hostinger domain is now connected to your Blogger account, creating a unified and professional appearance for your blog. Be sure to test your website to ensure everything is working correctly and enjoy the new look of your personalized blog. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this one.